Hello and welcome to 126 Eucalyptus. This is the exterior of the building. It's located in a very convenient location. You are near Stonestown and the entrance to 280. Okay, so here we are in the unit 126. You have beautiful hardwood floors throughout. You walk into this nice big foyer. To the right is a living room, kitchen straight ahead, and bedrooms to the left. Right over here is a walk-in coat closet right above the stairway. Here is the living room. You have a decorative fireplace. These windows face south for maximum sunlight throughout the day. You have built-in shelving to the left of the fireplace. And here is what you see out of the living room window. Okay. Nice big room. You also have heater vents in the main rooms. Some shelving here just outside the living room. To the right is a dining area. This could also be a home office for those of you who are still working from home. Okay, full kitchen here. Vinyl flooring, gas range, dishwasher. There's your refrigerator. And nice big sunny bedroom. This bedroom also has a generous size closet. This is a U-shaped closet with shoe rack. Okay, in the hallway here you have another walk-in closet and your full bathroom with bathtub and shower combination. You also have included private laundry in the garage as well as parking for one car included with the rent. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.